So my Squeak is back. I did about 500 miles or so in a weekend with different groups, having a lot of fun on the back roads and twisties. So the car is just way too stiff, generates squeaks, rattles pretty much on a hourly basis. And so what I did this time is, instead of playing around with a latch down on the bottom, I actually looked at this hook where it latches up. There was a lot of wear marks. I don't have a picture of that right now, but there were a lot of wear marks around this area right here. I took about 4 or 5 inches of electrical tape and wrapped it around a couple times. It latches a lot quieter, which is nice, and so the squeak is gone. Obviously this is not going to be a permanent solution because it's going to probably wear through in, I don't know, a couple 100 miles, maybe less, maybe more. So I'll have to replace it, but electrical tape is cheap. I have a whole roll of it. So this seemed to basically fix it for me, at least on a temporary basis. And if you want to see how exactly I diagnosed where the sound was coming from, I can put a card up